Good morning, you guys. It is Thursday. I have no idea what day in July it is, but it is Thursday. And I thought it would be fun to just take you along to experience a day in the life of a teacher on summer break. Today I have kind of some fun things planned. So first, I'm going to be watching a puppy. I think she's about a year old, but she is a black lab and so cute. I'll be watching her for a couple days. So I'm so excited because I really want a dog, and it'll be fun to just pretend I have one for a few days. I also am doing this new thing this summer where I'm trying to get outside in the summer. For 7 years after high school, I actually worked at a dance camp, a high school dance camp, and I loved it. It was the greatest job ever. I was in a gym from about 7 a.m. till 8 or 9 p.m. So I never saw light for the whole summer. Last summer, I didn't do the dance camp, and I still felt like I was inside most of the summer. So it's my goal to get outside as much as I can. So I just got a trial membership of Audible, and I'm going to be just like listening to, I think, maybe one of Rachel Hollis's books and just walking around. I also love podcasts. So if you have a podcast recommendation, let me know. My current listens are like everything Bachelor, Bachelorette, and then I also listen to teacher podcasts and like go-getter type podcasts as well. So I'm going to walk for a little bit this morning because it is so nice out. It looks beautiful and it's not too hot yet. And then when I come back, I will catch up with you there.
Hi, can I get a 16-ounce zebra coffee smoothie with almond milk?
Yeah, 16-ounce zebra smoothie with almond milk.
Yes, and then I'll also get a 16-ounce jungle mocha coffee smoothie as well.
Okay, super quick. My sister lives about 30 minutes away, and her town has a place called Mocha Monkey, and it is the greatest coffee ever. They have coffee smoothies, which are kind of like a frappe from Starbucks, but like way better. This is a jungle mocha coffee smoothie. Hope it just spilled all over me, but it's so good. I am currently getting ready to go to Michael's. I went there yesterday, and I'm only looking for a new planner for myself. Not a teacher planner because I already got my Happy Planner teacher planner, but my current Happy Planner life planner is done in December, and I think these ones probably start July and go a full year, so I would love to get a new one. And when I went to the Michaels yesterday, they only had like notebook planner type things for students and then teacher planners. So I'm gonna try a different one and see if they have the planner that I'm looking for. I don't know if there is anything better than when you go shopping and get exactly what you were supposed to get. I feel so proud of myself. So I went to Michael's and got the Happy Planner, and I paged through them and found the one that has a weekly spread. I'll show you more when I get back, but I will kind of show you the outside of it. It's super cute, and I love the rainbow on the edges there, and it's just super fun. So I'll show you inside. And then also at Michael's, they had $1 coloring books. I got Trolls and Despicable Me and Toy Story 4. Oh, they just fell everywhere. So my kids love to do coloring when it was indoor recess, and also just for fun sometimes during choice time. So I like to have a ton of those. Then I went to Target, and I kept telling myself, get what you need to get. And I did. I really did. So one of the things I got at Target were the name tags. They come 10 to a pack, and they're $3 each. As I was getting them, I was thinking, oh, I hope these are the right length. So the ones that I've had for the past couple of years literally go past my little Kinder baby's belly buttons. So they are so distracting. They can't even wear them at gym class at the beginning of the year because it's like flopping around as they run. So I am hoping that these are a little bit shorter, and then I usually will take out whatever insert they have and put my own name tags inside of there. So I got 3 packs of these black lanyard name tags, and then the only other thing I really need from Target are these bulletin board accents. I don't use them for a bulletin board. They're only $1. What I do with these, and I'll post a picture up here if I can find one, I use these for our mailboxes. So I use the mailboxes from IKEA. They are actually magazine holders, and they're made out of cardboard. Last year, IKEA used a different size, which really like threw me for a loop, but they still worked fine. I have a bookcase, and I make those little magazine holders, and then I will write their name on the pencil and glue it to the side, the little front part of the magazine holder, and then that's where they put their daily take-home folder, any pages of work or things that we do during the day. If I have a note to go home, that also goes there as well. It's worked awesome, and it makes it really organized in my classroom. So I got one of these. They are 24 packs, so it should be enough. Oh, maybe I should have grabbed more just in case, but that's about it. And then dun da da da, Dunkin'. I was really close to a Dunkin', that's why I got it. Okay, when I get back, I will show you guys my Happy Planners. I have like 800 planners now, which is not a bad thing, but a little excessive, some might say. And then it'll pretty much be a day, so let's go. Okay, so how cute is this planner? Oh my gosh, I love everything about it. I bought this separately. These stick on to any page, and they're little tabs. They have some different headings on them, but those are super cute. And then each month in true Happy Planner form is adorable. I love that there's the full monthly spread, and then this is what I was really hoping for, the weekly spread as well. I always put like if I'm coaching or teaching dance this week, any reminders at school, when I go to yoga, all those kinds of things. So these are all super duper cute. to be using this for my YouTube, just like to-do list, TPT, anything like that I'm trying to remember. And I'll show you the layout of this, how it's a little bit different. So each month has some like big ideas, anything you're celebrating, birthdays, important dates, and has a cute cover. Then you still have the monthly spread, but then it kind of breaks it down into some goals, checklists, getting it done. And then every page looks like this. So it has daily to-dos. So I think this would be perfect if you're planning or trying to do kind of like a content spread. This is perfect. There's a couple of pages of this, and then just some note pages as well. And each page looks a little different, like this as well. Okay, so this is the teacher planner that I grabbed. Again, love the pastel colors there. Some inserts. I love this so that you could put any student birthdays or days with no school, end of the quarter, all of those types of things. And they kind of have the same thing as the planners where it's goals, priorities, birthdays. Already written some things in my August one, so I just love how this is laid out for everything. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you can see more kindergarten fun. We'll see you next time.